I've had this video in my watch list for a while, probably since it came out. And I only knew about it. It wasn't recommended or anything by anyone leaving a comment, but I saw this floating around on YouTube. I saw people doing reactions to it. And so I decided that I was curious to watch it as well. I just didn't get around to doing it until now. And the reason I'm watching this now is because it's only a little bit more than 5 minutes long. And it doesn't seem like it's going to be anything that's going to draw out some long-winded commentary from me. But I am genuinely curious to check this out for a couple of reasons. Well, one, basically the title of this is, if you can't see it on the video, well, you'll know because I titled my video after this, but it's How to Build a Gaming PC by Henry Cavill. And I have known for a little while that Cavill is into gaming. His gaming, the gaming that he likes is not so much the console gaming, but PC gaming. And I am only superficially into gaming. I'm not a huge fan of console games just because I don't like the feel. Like I get a little bit motion sick sometimes. Like it makes me feel dizzy because I played Heavy Rain a little bit on when it came out years and years ago, and just the controls and having to do that and this and the way it would move, and it would just like ugh. So I never finished that game. Well, part of it is because somebody spoiled the ending for me. But whatever. If they put that game on PC, I would definitely play it. I am more into PC games, but not so much the types of games that probably someone like Henry Cavill likes. I prefer more the point and clicky type thing, adventure or mystery sort of games. The very first game like that I played was Gabriel Knight, and I was absolutely obsessed with that game. Obsessed. I love that game so much. Like I would stay up late at night playing that, and I would love to watch that movie if they would make it. It would be so much fun. I love the second one. The third one wasn't as good. Also, behind that, I liked Broken Sword. I think I played all of those games. I don't know if there's been a recent one the past few years, but anyway, I remember there was one that was crowdfunded, and I participated in that, and I got that and played it. So, and I'm replaying Broken Sword right now. It's been a while, but it's been a while since I've visited it, but I am in the process of replaying it. I think I also started playing Runaway, but I have never finished that. And there's other stuff like little games on the side that I've started, but they haven't really grabbed my attention. I was really spoiled by Gabriel Knight. I can't lie. That really set a high bar for me. Anyway, I know they've redone it, and I have access to it. My brother, we both have GOG accounts, and so he got the redone Gabriel Knight. I think when they redid that, they had lost all the original voice files or something, so they had to recast it and everything. And Mark Hamill did not come back. Tim Curry did not come back. So it's a whole new voice cast. That's part of the reason why I haven't returned to it, because while the graphics and stuff are probably better, I don't know how I'll feel about the fact that it's not the same people again. Anyway, okay, all that to get around to this. I am genuinely curious to watch him do this, because it's fascinating to me that he's into stuff like this. And also because I am into computers too. I mean, the stuff major I took at college was pertaining to computers. And while I have quite a bit of experience with computers and I understand a lot about them, I'm not as familiar really. I mean, I am to a certain degree. Like I can change RAM, I can change my hard drive, I could put a new keyboard in, but my husband actually does more of that. Like he can tear a computer apart, put it back together, and he's constantly, that's what he does. So I'm curious to see this video just to see what is the process of putting a computer together. So I'm going to go ahead and check that out now.
We got it together, didn't we? Nobody but you and me.
Intimidating.
We've got it together, baby.
Wait, hold on. Sorry, got distracted. My daughter came in close. What happened here? What did he do? Okay. All right. Oh, I would break it. What is that? Is that the CPU? Oh, music. Oh my gosh. That's funny. Okay.
My first, my last, my everything, and the answer to all my dreams.
What, I don't even know what that is. I don't know if that's a fan or a power source.
My moon, my guiding star, my kind of wonderful. That's what you are. I know there's only one like you. There's no way they could have made two.
No.
You're all I'm living for. Your love I'll keep forevermore. You're the first, you're the last, my everything. In you, I found
I'm just trying to figure out. Okay, that's the
so many
fan.
things.
No, maybe that was the power source.
A love so new, only you could bring. Can't you see
That is a
it,
big computer,
you?
you guys.
You make me feel this way. You're like a fresh morning dew on a brand new day. I see so many ways that I can love you till the day I die. You're my reality, yet I'm lost in a dream. You're the first, the last, my everything.
Okay.
Oh, you got me.
Yeah, I bet it did. You can tell it did. It became dark. Oh, look at that.
You got me doing it. You got me doing it, man. You got me doing it.
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh, baby, sweet baby. What am I gonna do? Yeah. It's not supposed to be. Oh. Oh gosh. Maybe that is that the thing with the wires? Maybe that's why they weren't laying right for him. Feels so good. You're lying here next to me. Oh, whatever.
Oh my goodness, okay.
You have no idea.
Is that the thermal paste?
My hands just won't keep still. You got me doing it. You got me doing it, man. You got me doing it. Oh, baby, sweet baby. What am I gonna do?
I set up now. That is
Sweet
cool,
baby,
y'all.
what am I gonna do with you?
Oh, It's the heat. Okay. It measures the heat. I didn't know what that number was at first. Oh, well, that was cool. I like that. That was fun. I didn't really know half the stuff that he was doing. Like I could tell, obviously there were fans, and some of the stuff I didn't know what it was, but I didn't realize that thing that had the upside down numbers. That was that was what was measuring the core temp, I guess. Boy, I would love to know what was the RAM on that. What's the processor speed on that, and how big of a hard drive is he using? These are specs that I like to check out when I have my hands on a computer. That's like one of the first things I like to look for. You know, I'm kind of nerdy that way. It's probably massive. I bet the hard drive is pretty big, and I bet the RAM is huge, like maybe 32 gigs or more, maybe even upwards of 64. I just have 16 on my computer, and that serves my purposes just fine. But well, that was fun. That was humorous and a little bit informative, but there's no way I would try to put my own computer together. Nope. Mm-mm. I would break something. So anyway, okay, well, there was that. Just a little bit of just a different change of pace from stuff I've been watching. I just got done earlier watching the Jim Jeffries gun control thing, and I was like, well, I want to see something else. And so I thought about a movie trailer, and then I started to watch a Billy Connolly bit because someone had recommended him, and I was like, let me just go do this random search, and I pulled it up, and I'm like, I think I know that guy. I recognize his face. I've seen him in things before, and then I saw he's been an actor and stuff too, and I was going to watch one of his things, and then I'm like, you know what? I just got done doing the Jim Jeffries thing, and the bit of Connolly's that I was going to watch was something about a terrorist attack at a Glasgow airport or something like that. And I'm like, well, I don't know. This may generate a lot of talking on my end. I have no idea. And so I was like, well, I'll watch this. I won't be too long-winded with this. And here I have been. This video was only 5.5 minutes long, and I probably yapped for like 10 to 15 minutes on top of that. That's just what I think. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up, and this was fun. I don't know if you guys will find it as interesting as I did, but I figured it'd be kind of cool to do something a little different. So, okay, you guys, later.